What's popping, everyone? Markus is coming back to you with a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. For the notification squad, looking Shopify. If you're not a part of it, remember to hit the notification bell down below. And for all of you guys who are new, welcome. My name is Markus and I teach about dropshipping, Shopify, and business in general, helping you guys to build yourself financially and to build the empire of your life. As you might have seen the title, for today we are going to talk about how you can make over $500 a day with Fortnite. Fortnite is so popular at the moment. It's basically taking over the world. People like Drake and Travis Scott and like playing the game, or rappers playing the game, getting so popular. Marshmallow and Ninja just won a huge championship about Fortnite, so it's getting a lot of traction, so much engagement, so much popularity about it, so there's a lot of money to be made for it. So today I'm going to go over how you can make over $500 a day with Fortnite. So remember to stay through all the video and hit the subscribe button down below. I'm going to jump into my computer to show you live, so let's do it. Back inside of my computer right here. We're on YouTube right now, and before you go away from this video, no, it's not that you start streaming Fortnite, being the new Ninja. Of course you can make shit loads of freaking a lot of money with that. I think Ninja makes over like $1 million a month or something. That was a couple of months ago, so he makes so much. No, sorry, not a million, like more than $1 million. I think it was like 5 million a month or something. A lot of money. It's absolutely crazy. But jumping into YouTube right here to show you the thing that we're going to take a look at today, and that is actually making montages. And making montages can make you so much money. There's a lot of aspects for it, but just for the ad revenue, the AdSense, as you can see, if we go ahead and say Fortnite and we jump onto Fortnite, and there will be daily Fortnite battle royale moments. That is the biggest YouTuber with making montages for Fortnite, and we have a platform called Social Blade which can show us the estimated revenue of that specific channel. So if we go ahead and say daily Fortnite, we're just going to type in that, then it should pop up for us daily Fortnite royale moments. As you can see, they have 2.2 million subscribers for a channel which just uploads montages. As you can see, they're at 473 different videos right now, I think. So they basically just uploads with the new guns, when people make like a montage of best kills with snipers and everything, and people who are engaged and in love with Fortnite love to watch this, and it's getting so many views. As you can see right here, video views 2 million each and every single day. Yeah, there should be an estimated earnings, as you can see, each day from $500 to $7.7 thousand each and every single day. And of course this is the biggest one, and I don't know, I think it's probably estimated to about between $2,000 and $5,000, I would say, that they're making from the AdSense, because it's so popular. So a lot of companies want to have ads running on Fortnite if they're selling like merchandise or specific products correlated with Fortnite. They want to have their ads running on videos of Fortnite, of course. So what you want to do is set up a YouTube channel where you make montages. And where do you get those videos from, you might be thinking. So as you can see right here, if we jump into one of the videos and just turn down, as you can see, it's just a simple montage of kills that they have put together, and it's super easy to do. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make a montage for your YouTube, and you're just gonna upload like 1 or 2 montages a day, and it will only take you like 5, 10, or probably maybe like half an hour for each montage. But let's say, so what you want to do is you want to jump into Twitch. So the way that you can do this is you can jump into Fortnite, and then there will be, of course, the live streams. But what you want to take a look at is the one called Clips. It's just going to be in Danish because I'm from Denmark, but I could also jump onto one of my VPNs. But anyway, I think you'll get it. And then you can see the top clips from the last 24 hours, or the top clips for the last 7 days, 30 days, or all. And this way you can actually go in, and then you can jump into one of the clips, and most of the clips will be clips of them like getting a kill, or getting a headshot, sniper kill, or something like that. And then you will take that clip, download like 30 of them, and then put it together as a montage. And that will literally take you like half an hour or so, because the things taking time is actually downloading the videos, it's not compiling them together. Because you can just press Control A or Command A and then just mark all your videos in your folder, drag it over onto your like video editing program like iMovie or like Premiere Pro, which I'm using when I'm editing videos, and then you could just move them all over. Then you have like 10 minutes of video, have like a background soundtrack. I'm just gonna show you the soundtrack soundtrack that you could use or how to find that. And then I'll show you how to download the videos afterwards. But yeah, jumping into YouTube again, as you can see right here, you can just write like copyright free music, and then I will say like mix. As you can see right here, copyright free music, and then you can just take one of these. There will be a download link inside of it, and then you can put that as the background music, while of course you still have this streamer with their talking. So you just put it down like so. It's just like very subtle background music, but it gives a nice feel when you're watching a montage. Sort of like montage videos. If you've watched any montage for Fortnite, you will see that they have like a background track of music playing, and you can just download one of these and then have that in the background. So how do you download Fortnite videos? Because that is just, there's not a button for it to be downloaded. So jumping back right here into a video, what you want to do is you want to press this one, copy to your clipboard. Then you want to find a site where you can download Twitch videos. There's only like, I don't know, a few, or there's probably a lot of them, but the one I'm using is called Fetch File. Just works for Twitch great. So you just pop in the URL, press the download video, and then it will give you like a link, and then you press this sort of like quality, and then you're just gonna press download video, and then it will open in a new tab, and then you could just press like save the video. Super easy. So you can just save all the videos into a folder, make that folder a one montage, and then you can make a montage out of that. Download copyright free music track, put it at the background, save it as a video, and upload it to YouTube. And then on your YouTube channel, you could call it like Fortnite Spotlight or something like that. You want to just have a banner, and you want to have a profile picture for that. You can have a guy make that on Fiverr. So that's super easy. You could just say like, if you want both an intro, like a banner and a logo, which you should, it's all about the branding, because there's a lot of people doing it already. But if you sort of like differentiate yourself, and the good thing about this is that you really want to keep with the trendy stuff, like when there's a new gun coming out, when there's a new skin coming out, when there's a new, like, I don't know, stuff like the fucking shopping cart, which were there, were really popular, those montages of that. So you could just say Fortnite banner, and then I think there will come up something up, or you can say YouTube banner and logo, and then there will be some guys, as you can see right here, a lot of different people are making specific Fortnite banners, or you could just have a normal guy who makes YouTube banners make a Fortnite banner for your YouTube channel. And then actually a lot of guys are really great at making Fortnite intros, so I would maybe even have a guy make a specific Fortnite intro who specifies in that, because there's some really cool ones. As you can see, this one probably. This is, and then it costs only $20, and it will just give your brand for that YouTube account a lot more like trustworthiness, and it will just be a lot better. As you can see, it's quite nice. And then your username for the YouTube, and then a shopping cart moving forward, and then jumps into your montage. That would just give your videos so many more views and probably a lot more subscribers, because it looks like your YouTube channel is a brand, because you have your own intro for it. So I'll recommend that. So montages for YouTube, upload 1 to 2 montages a day, and then build it from there, and then you can expand into having merchandise for that, and that's where really the big money is to be made. So when you have like 10,000 or 50,000 subscribers, you can go ahead and then make merchandise for that with like print on demand and stuff, and in this way you can go ahead and make even more money. But this was just a video how you can go ahead and make money with Fortnite. Actually, it's a really great way. I'm actually trying it myself, haven't really been focusing too much on it because I am so busy with all of the YouTube and all of my other stores and stuff, but I just think it's funny. I think it's funny because there's a lot of money to be made, and when I see something which is trendy, I will always try to test it out. So you should definitely go ahead and try to test it out. Really freaking easy. You can always get a guy from Upwork as well to do a VA to make your videos for you. So really super easy to do, and a great way to start off with making some money. So that was just a short video of me talking about how you can make money with Fortnite, which is a huge game at the moment. And something else that you can always go ahead and make videos on is the new Battle Royale Realm, I think it's called. It's a new like knockoff of Fortnite, and that is getting a lot of popularity as well because it's similar to Fortnite, and a lot of the streamers tries it out because they're a bit bored of Fortnite sometimes. So that's why it's great, and you can sort of like bounce between those two games, make montage for that. So hope you got something useful out of it. Please subscribe below if you did. Remember to give it a like and hit the notification bell to always be up to date with all of my videos. As always, I hope you all have a successful and wonderful day. Bye.